Are you a first-time home buyer? Have you ever heard of a home warranty? Does it replace your homeowner's insurance? Hi, I'm Kurt Clements with eXp Realty in the far west suburbs of Chicago. A home warranty covers the service, repair, and if needed, the replacement of major home systems and appliances. This includes plumbing, electrical, heating and cooling systems, and even your water heater. A home warranty doesn't replace homeowner's insurance, so consider it a form of protection that limits your out-of-pocket expenses for repairs and maintenance. Generally, home warranty companies have their own set of approved service providers. If one of your covered items breaks down, contact your home warranty provider immediately. They can provide you with guidance on filing your claim. What are your thoughts? Please feel free to leave your comments in the section below, or better yet, please feel free to reach out. Watch for our next video when we discuss home equity, and thanks again for watching. As always, we're here to help, and we'll talk with you soon.